Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get approved on your AdSense in a matter of 7 days to 14 days. So with that, I'm going to start by showing you guys a proof that what I'm actually going to show you guys is what works for me. It has worked for a lot of people that have shown this method too. So if you check this particular site, you guys can see that on this particular day, being 15th of April, about 3,000 people visited this site. Okay, a day before that 2,000, a day after that around 1,000 or so, all right, before it dropped. Okay, so after that I've been getting consistent 2 to 3 to 10 views every day. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys something that this site has been approved. So as you guys can see, as of yesterday I made 0.03 cents on this site, which means that the site has been approved. So if you calculate the whole thing, okay, I actually got monetized before that. I got monetized on when did I get monetized? Okay, I got monetized around beginning of April or so. Okay, so if you guys do the calculation very well, I got monetized on 23 of April, all right, being Saturday. So if you guys do the calculation very well, you could realize that it took me around 14 days to get approved, all right, and I only applied once. Okay, so that's because of the traffic that I sent to this site. So in total about 5,000 or 6,000 people visited this site, which enabled Google to approve it without any option. So the advantage of sending traffic is that you are giving Google no other option than to approve your site. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the dashboard of this account. Okay, so this is one of my accounts. Let me show you guys the dashboard. Okay, so it's loading. So this is actually one of my accounts. I'll come to that. Okay, let's allow you to display. Okay, so this is actually the account. I've not done any activity on this particular blog. I've not sent traffic. I've not done any arbitrage method on it, but it's just to show you guys that it's been approved, and it's actually what I'm about to teach you guys that I did on this particular account before I was able to get approved. Okay, so I have other accounts as well. Okay, this is like my main account. This is also my main account. Okay, this is an account that I'm working on. This particular account, I just started working on it today. Okay, it's actually approved. Okay, I just started working on it for my AdSense method. Let me show you guys the earnings for today. Okay, it's gonna be crazy. Let's allow you to load. Okay, this is the one I just hopped up from. So we have 13 pounds there. Yesterday we closed on 64 pounds. Okay, so let's check another one. Let's check this one. Okay, let's wait. Okay, today we just started working today we've closed in on 155 pounds. Hopefully things will get more crazier. All right, and this, like, we just started working on it. So like I said in my live video yesterday, if you need a UK approved account, just hit me up on WhatsApp. And also if you want to learn my arbitrage method, just make sure you hit me on WhatsApp. I'm going to attend to you. Then I have other sites that I'm actually working on for approval. So these sites are going to get approved straight up, all right, because I have a way I send traffic to them, real human traffic to these sites, and Google will have no option than to approve my sites immediately. So that is it. And all the posts on this particular blog were not written by me, all right. So I use this tool that I've been showing on my videos called Article Rewriter tool to write all the articles on this site. So what I do is I copy other people's content, and then I come here and then rewrite the text and post it on my blog. All right, so with the traffic, Google have no option than to approve it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the site anyways. I don't normally do this, but I'm just going to show you guys the site. Okay, so I know a lot of people are going to hop into the site and then maybe copy my content and stuff. I don't care. Like, you can copy the content, I don't care. All right, so I know the wicked ones will try to send bot traffic to the site. I still don't care, because I have something that will just block all the whole bot traffics. Okay, so this is the site, and as you guys can see, ads are displaying on the site. Okay, and if you go on AdSense, I'm coming, let me show you guys. You guys will see that the site is actually linked to the AdSense. All right, so my network is a bit slow, so these ads is showing on the site. So if you check the whole thing, if you check the whole site, I'm going to show you guys the site I copied all these articles from. All right, you guys will see that I'm not copying here. So the name of the site is Topmost XYZ. All right, so if you guys check what I have here, just take note of everything here, what I have here. So if you go to the site, you guys will realize that they are the same thing, similar, and not almost the same thing, but they are similar. All right, because I kind of use this site to rewrite everything. Okay, I also have another site that I posted exactly the same article called this particular one. So I don't bother myself looking for people on Fiverr to write my articles so that I'll pay them a certain amount for 1,500 words to 3,000 words. I rather use this article writer to do the whole thing within seconds. Okay, enough of the whole proof. So to get started, all you have to do is to just hit me up on WhatsApp. If you've created your site from scratch to the point of applying for AdSense, just hit me on WhatsApp. Then I'm going to send you real organic human traffic at a very, very cheap rate that will get you approved at first application. All right, then if you've been approved and you're finding it difficult to make money on your site, hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how you can actually start making money for your blog, all right, or your site once it is approved. Now, if you want to partner with me, I also partner with people. In case if you've been trying the whole arbitrage stuff that you know about and it's not working out for you, you can actually hit me up. Then there is a way I will set up your ads, but everything is going to be on my server. Okay, that allows me to have control over your blog. All right, this is not for security stuff or just whatever. Okay, it's just to make sure that everything is fast and there is no bounce rate and all of that. All right, so that is basically it. Anyhow you want to do it, you're going to get at least 200% to 300%, 500% return on investment. All right, so what if I tell you guys, okay, let me show you guys the site showing that is actually linked to this particular AdSense account. Okay, note that everything I'm showing you here is from real human being. Like, I'm not using bots, I'm not using any form of illegal way of doing it. So you guys can see it. The account is ready. Okay, this account was approved just a few days ago. I didn't even know until I just visited the site. I saw ads and I was very, very excited. Okay, I was just expecting that to happen. Okay, so let me show you guys this particular account. I only spent about $20 to make that particular amount. Coming. Okay, this particular account. Okay, it's gotten to 161 pounds. When I displayed it initially, it was around 155 pounds, but now it's at 161 pounds. Okay, I only spent $20 on this. All right, and people keeps diving into the site, you know, doing the normal activities, and the CPC is not looking bad. So in case if you want to learn all my methods, just hit me up on WhatsApp. All right, now for the management of account, like for transferring everything to my server, I charge a little bit high for that because I'm going to take it seriously like mine. All right, I'm going to give it full attention. Okay, but if you just want my method, I'll just give you the course, then you go through it and apply it yourself and see the same result. All right, so this is basically it for this video. I don't want it to be very long. I'm still going to get back to my normal upload schedule. I've been so busy this time. If you followed my live video yesterday, you realize what I'm talking about. All right, so if you need a UK account, fresh one that is approved but not yet verified, hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to provide that for you, no matter the amount that you want. Also, if you want to learn the arbitrage method I'm using, hit me up on WhatsApp. If you need traffic for your site to get approved, hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's get that sorted out. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay safe and then peace out. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at DonTimTV. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.